Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a solution to enhance your internet experience by setting up EV2Ray VPN with EV2Ray settings. Poor internet connection can be frustrating, but with the right tools and techniques, you can significantly improve your browsing speed and reliability. To get started, you'll need to create a EV2Ray account. Simply follow the instructions provided in the video linked in the description. Once you've installed the SSH VPN Creator app and created your EV2Ray account, make sure to copy the account details for later use. Next, head to the Google Play Store and install the EV2Ray VPN app. Once installed, launch the app to access the home page. From there, select the EV2Ray option within the app. Ensure that you have the EV2Ray account details copied earlier and that they are functioning correctly. Now, tap on the box icon to initiate the automatic setup process within the app. Once completed, return to the home page and tap on the radio button to establish a superspeed connection using EV2Ray VPN with EV2Ray settings. With these simple steps, you can enjoy a significant boost in your internet speed and overall browsing experience. Don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for further assistance and updates. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel for more informative content.